a multiplayer fighting game. As you can see, the cat won last round and the duck is in second. And we programmed it so that the game, as we'll show you right now, or after I'm done explaining, I mean, it is able to make the duck and the cat fight. And the way the game works is that every time the other person knocks you off or you just fall off, you the other person gets a point, and after you get to a certain amount of points, then you get to the next level or backdrop. And basically, we programmed it so that the duck has a spear, and so whenever the duck touches the cat with the tip of the spear, it'll knock it off the island. And then the cat, we programmed it so that the sword, if you press Q, then the spear, the the tip of the sword will, if it touches a duck, makes it fly fly or knock off. So basically, we'll show you the game now. So first, before we, this game is pretty laggy, so sorry if it makes you triggered.
Guys, I am extremely nervous for you all. You should have several images, you guys, on these slides. You have 7 points that you're talking about. I could have 4
I
slides
won first, so I'm
showing
on the
you
first
guys
podium.